Alright guys, so I want to do this video today of Homeport Marina and show you guys the marina. We got A, B, and C docks. Right there you're looking at B dock right there. That's where the Lulu Princess is parked. Right there's the fuel dock, and if you pull over there you can get pump out. Lulu's is there on your right. That's the bridge coming in from Mobile Bay. That's Tacky Jacks crossed from Lulu's. And you see her roof right there in the apartment. That's a beautiful shot of the marina. A dock is to the left. A dock to the left. B dock right down the center there, and then to the right there is C dock. That's Lulu's roof right there. And again, that's the fuel dock right there. If you pull in, that's where you go to get pump out, fuel, anything that you might need at the marina right there at the facility. And then again, that's coming in from Pensacola Bay, right there, from the east. And that's coming from the west, and that's coming from Mobile Bay right there.
Beverly and Daisy from the Lulu Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.